Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is HBM Organic Beauty. On this channel I make videos on skincare, teaching you how to make skincare. I do product review, I talk about herbs, and I also do every other thing in between. So please watch my video, whether it's skincare, it's herbs. Trust me, I drop interesting videos. So yeah, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell, and please feel free to share my videos to everybody that may need those videos. So today I'm actually talking about herbs. It's been long I did a video talking about herbs here. So yeah, today we're actually doing herbs. I will be teaching you or giving you recipe that you can actually use to achieve a very flat tummy. So I know that some people, they are this kind of people that they have tendency to, to be fat, especially women when they give birth. At times some women, when they give birth, is actually when you will now realize that they have fat in them. At times you marry a woman as a skinny woman, and when she starts having birth, before you know, boom, she becomes very fat. Okay, so now there are so many things you can do to actually put your body in shape. Like for me, I know that fine, I'm not this kind of a person that is a very fat person, okay, but I know that when I started having babies, I started adding weight. Okay, then I started taking some butt and hips enlargement herbs. Most of the herbs I do on this channel, I take them, and I have the one I take from my brand, and I noticed that I started adding weight. Especially, I'm this kind of person that I don't have weight on my hand. Probably maybe it's because of the herb, okay, because trust me, our butt and hips enlargement herb will make you add weight in the right places. But when it comes to adding weight on my from my hips, my belly, I know that I can grow fat on my belly, because anytime I'm adding weight, I tend to have this gain weight on my butt, my hips, and my belly. So I try to make sure I work on my belly. So I take flat tummy herbs. I take some herbs that I know that they are going to help to burn down the fat in my belly alone. Then I also tummy wrap. I wrap my tummy with my invisible waist trainer. So that is how this is actually my lifestyle, how I try to keep myself in shape. So I stopped taking the butt and hips enlargement product, because trust me, I'm this kind of person that even at my age, like when I tell some people my age, they don't believe, but I'm this kind of person that I believe that no, there's a particular physique I want to have. Take for an instance, whenever I see Genevieve, and at her age, she's looking hot, she's looking fit, she's looking, I just love that stature, I just love that shape of hers. She's not fat, she's not this fat person, but at least she's having this good shape, not too much hips, not too much butt, but the shape is just there. Even at her age, right from my teen age, me growing up to watch Nollywood, I've always envied this woman's shape. And even at her age, somebody that is more than 40 years, I think she's going to 50, and if you still see her, like, you won't believe it. Like, even on my way to 50, I still want to look like 18 years old girl. So I'll be teaching you how to actually make flat tummy herbs, and I'll be telling you those herbs that we will be using. And trust me, I will be showing you those our local herbs that most people don't even think of, most people are forgotten, especially if you just had your baby either through normal delivery or cesarean or CS. Please, you can actually make this herb and take. It is safe for women that are breastfeeding. It is safe for women that just put to bed. It is safe for even any woman, as long as you are having big belly, whether you just put to bed or not. It is safe for you. You can actually take this. It really works for me, and that is why I actually want to show you guys these herbs. And also, you can also waist train. Okay, I'll be showing you the kind of waist trainer I use. So this is actually an invisible wrap. Okay, so I just take this. I actually dropped a video on my channel some time ago how I wrap with this, so I have a video on that. But trust me, whenever you're taking flat tummy herbs, try and wrap with your invisible waist trainer. We have this available in our store. Okay, this is very long. I don't want to start losing. This is very long. I'm going to put up a video of a woman that's wrapped with this on the screen, and you're going to see after results. So as you're taking the flat tummy tea, please be wrapping. And even when you're taking the button hips, any button hips enlargement drink, okay, please also wrap. When you're taking button hips enlargement drink and you're waist training, it helps channel any fat that is meant to stay in your belly. It will channel them down to your hips, your buttocks. And also when you're taking flat tummy products, it also helps your flat tummy product to, you know, compress fat. So what this basically does, it compresses fat, so it does not even allow or give fat any breathing space to actually compile in your belly. So that is why I use this a lot. Okay, and for those of you that will come and say, oh, you're not big, you're not fat, thank you so much. I like my shape the way I am. Okay, so it's not like if I want to get big and all that, I don't know what to do, but I am okay with the way I am. So thank you so much. And for your information, currently I am taking some fat burner herbs. So if you're taking fat burner herbs, trust me, you can never ever gain weight. And thank you, I really love the way I am. Okay, so for those people that will come and say, oh, you're preaching, you're not fat, you're not big, your boobs is not too big, your ass is not very big, thank you so much. One man's food is another man's poison. Okay, the way you want your life to be is not the way I want my life to be. Okay, I have a life, a lifestyle I want. So please do not come and judge me. I teach here on YouTube because I know it works. I have people that have done recipes that I drop on YouTube on button hips, flat tummy, and it's worked for them. They come to my my DM, my WhatsApp, and tell me, thank me, praise me how it worked for them. So if I teach you and you don't want to believe, or you want to wait until I have a very big boobs or I have a very bigger ass and all that before you can try out the recipe, you're on your own. It's your business, it's not my business. So this is why so many people selling body enhancement products, they go and do liposuction. They come and start selling with their liposuction yash, telling you how their butt powder gave them this figure 8 shape, how their butt powder gave them that shape. And even you people also believe. I see that most people don't see that these people actually did liposuction. I see that when you see a liposuction yash, like when you see a liposuction shape, you don't know that this thing is actually liposuction. So let me just leave that one and just go straight to the point. So you guys should just watch this video to the end and give it a thumbs up. So right now I'm going to show you how you can actually make all this tea, fat burner tea or flat tummy tea, whichever name it.